The biggest financial regret retirees have: signing away their home without fully understanding the consequences. If you're considering home equity release but want to keep the property in the family, there's a way, but it has to be done right. A family agreement could be your best safeguard, but one wrong move could put your home at risk. So how do you set up a legally binding arrangement that protects everyone involved while ensuring you don't lose the house? Let's break it down. First, let's be clear. Once you enter an equity release agreement, reversing it is nearly impossible. That's why careful planning with your family is critical before a single contract is signed. A well-structured family agreement can allow relatives to help cover your financial needs while keeping the home in the family's hands. But it must be done correctly to avoid legal and tax pitfalls. The first key decision: will your family provide financial support as a loan or as shared ownership? Each approach has major implications. If they loan you the money to replace or supplement equity release, it must be properly documented. A family loan agreement should outline the loan amount, repayment terms, whether it's interest-free or at a specified rate, conditions for repayment, including if the home is sold or passed down, provisions for inheritance tax considerations. Failing to document this properly can create confusion or even disputes later, especially if multiple family members contribute. More importantly, HMRC may view an undocumented loan as a gift, which can have inheritance tax consequences. Alternatively, shared ownership means your relatives invest in the home directly, either by buying a share or making payments in exchange for equity. This arrangement needs a co-ownership agreement to prevent conflicts down the road. It should define percentage of ownership for each party, future sale conditions, who gets what if the home is sold, rights to live in the home, including what happens if care needs arise. Without these agreements in place, families can find themselves in legal battles over the house, and in worst-case scenarios, equity release lenders may still claim full ownership. One common mistake: trying to transfer property ownership to family while still living there. Many assume gifting the home is a clever workaround, but UK property laws make this tricky. If you gift your home but continue to live there without paying market rent, it's still considered part of your estate for inheritance tax purposes under the gift with reservation of benefit rule. Translation: no tax benefits, and worse, potential legal headaches. So, what's the safest approach? A hybrid strategy. This combines a documented family loan or shared ownership agreement with a protective trust structure. A trust can ensure that assets are properly distributed after your passing while keeping the home protected from creditors or unintended sales. But trusts are complex and require proper legal setup. This isn't something to DIY. It's also crucial to have a legally binding deed of family arrangement. This isn't just a handshake deal. It's a formal agreement signed by all involved parties, clarifying intentions and preventing disputes. This document should be created with legal oversight to ensure it aligns with UK property law and inheritance regulations. Beyond legality, think about the emotional side. Equity release companies count on the fact that most families don't have these conversations until it's too late. They offer quick cash without addressing long-term consequences. The truth? A family meeting about this could be the most important financial conversation you ever have. It's uncomfortable, but vital. Before making any final decisions, bring in a qualified financial advisor and a solicitor specializing in property law. Every case is unique, and a single misstep could cost your family tens or even hundreds of thousands of pounds. If this breakdown has been eye-opening, don't stop here. There's a lot more to uncover about how lenders operate and the hidden clauses that could put your home at risk. You'll want to see what's next, so click the video on screen now and take control of your financial future before it's too late.